everyone, welcome to vlog 8 of my rooftop garden tour. Today the weather is pleasantly cool, making it the perfect day to walk through my garden. This is Krishna Kumar Sharma and I'm excited to show you around. First up, let's take a look at the eggplants. These little beauties have been growing for over 3 months now, and they are flourishing beautifully. Check out the size of these eggplants. You can check out the flowers and the big eggplant. You can check the size. It almost touching the ground. Oh my god. Isn't it so beautiful? Alright. Let's move on to my special one. I also have some special plants like the white brinjal, which I bought from the local market. It's amazing how big they are grown. You can check now. It is such a wonderful one, to be honest. I love this plant. It is one of my favorite. You can see the flowers are everywhere. And the color of this brinjal is white. You know, normally we get brinjals at different colors, especially in black, but now you can check the color is white. So it cost me 20 taka per plants. You know, it's great, to be honest. And as you can see, these two eggplants are also bit expensive, like 20 taka per piece, and you can see it's supposed to grow as big as 1 kg. I don't know, probably it maybe get that much bigger. Alright, moving on to the capsicums. They are thriving in 3 colors. You can check. Yellow, green, and red. This is my favorite one, to be honest, and it growing nicely. Wow. Alright, you can check. It is quite small. You can see this is a proper shape and size. Alright. And don't miss the tomatoes. They are everywhere and they are huge. You can see they are huge in size, as big as you get from the market. Oh my god. This is a small plant, you can see, and it got 3 gigantic tomatoes. Oh my god. I'm so happy. I'm so happy farmer. I must say I'm a big fan of gardening right now, and I must say I'm not a successful farmer, but I could say that I'm a happy farmer. As you can see, my tomatoes, wow, it's so nice. It's delicate, it's huge, and it is so beautiful. Alright. You can check the tomatoes. Tomatoes are everywhere. I would like to say a little story about the tomato. You can see this plant is very short, and I wanted to cut this tomato plant, but I kept it because it got some fungicide attacked. You can see the fungicide attacked. I cut this branch and I'll only kept this branch, and you can see the huge tomatoes. It bears 3, 4, 5, even 6 tomatoes. So how beautiful, you know, the creature of God. It's so amazing. Alright, next we have bitter gourd, which has started bearing fruit after about 4 months of nurturing. You can see it is abundant and it is everywhere now. You can check. Basically 4 months it didn't give anything because probably the soil wasn't enough. So you can see I planted this in a, first I planted it in a 8-inch tub, so that's why the roots didn't grow that much. After that I repotted this, and you know, it's now started bearing the fruit. Amazing, excellent. I love it. I love it so much. Wow, brilliant. The bitter gourds are everywhere. Now let's talk about the beans. They are abundant and growing nicely. Look, along the lettuce, which promises yield plenty. You can see basically these and these lettuce. You can see the lettuce are everywhere. You can see, and I also planted the lettuce seed. It is growing nicely. Let me show you more. You know, it basically everywhere, as you can see. Lettuce. Because I'm a big fan of lettuce. You know, when I have my food, I usually have lots of salad. So salad is special, and if I have lettuce in it, I don't want anything else. So that's why I cultivate lettuce. Alright, meanwhile my wife is here in my on the rooftop. You can see she is going to harvest some of the brinjal, which is the eggplant. Could you please show the size? What do you think? 200 gram? Maybe a little less. So would you like to take only one? Would you like to take only one or more? That's one is enough? Alright, I'm also excited about the black chilies and the bottle gourd, both of which are coming along nicely. You can see the black chilies, it is thriving. The plants, oh my god, it's thriving. You can see the growth. And let me show you the bottle gourd. Bottle gourd, basically this is old plant. But this one is new plant. You can see it is new plant, and the fruit is coming. The fruit is coming. Yeah. Also here you go. It is nice, beautiful, and excellent. Here you go, the bottle gourd. It is going to the sky. Fantastic. The strawberries. I have had some ups and downs with them, but The locally bought ones are finally bearing fruit, because I bought strawberries from Rajshahi through online 2 times, and the online strawberries plants are like this, because they sent me the strawberries. It took me 3 days to come, so I bought the locally plants one, and as you can see, it is growing abundantly. You can see strawberries are everywhere. Although I only got, it cost me a lot of money, to be honest. The strawberries cost me more than 2,000 taka. You can see the strawberries are everywhere. Right. Alright, let's move. You can see a little, my mother says that teen patar dharosh. That means it got only 3 leaves and the lady's finger. So it's fantastic. It is called also okra. Alright, let's move on to, we have some cucumbers which are fruiting well despite the dark situation. Cucumber are here. So cucumbers basically, the season is almost drying up. I need to plant new ones. The cucumbers are here as well. The cucumbers basically gave a lot of fruit. Now it is in kind of hibernation. Alright, as you can see here, cucumber. Alright, and you can see, you probably love my bottle. This is called pointed gourd. That means bottle. I made this little, it calls like little branch sticking around, and it is called macha dewa. So I made it with the bamboo stick. It's not bamboo, it's jute stick. Alright, let's have a look on the long beans. The long beans are also thriving. I'm pleased with their progress. You can see the progress of long beans are fine. Boys, don't go to the sky, go to the net, because we are in some net for you guys. So don't go to the sky. Okay, you can see tomatoes. Tomatoes are everywhere. Tomatoes, wow. You can see, I need to take care of these tomatoes because this is rainy season and stormy season. Probably I didn't face any huge storm this time, or some, that's why probably my plants are not got that damage. But these plants got some damage due to the heavy rain, which has happened probably a week ago. Yes, almost a week has passed. But the tomatoes, you can see, this is cherry tomato. I bought this tomato from online, and they said it's cherry tomato. But the tomatoes is everywhere. This plant bears tomatoes everywhere. It is such a wonderful tomato, I could say. Everywhere you can get tomatoes. The size is, I thought size would be smaller, but this one is much average, to be honest. Medium size, I could say. Alright. As for the chilies, they are a source of great joy for me, with each monte tree holding an impressive number of chilies. Let me show you all. You can see, this is a chili plant, and it got chilies everywhere. Even this one, you can see, probably you can't count the leaves, but count the count the chilies. You can see chilies. Oh my god, I bought these seeds from Brackseed. You know, Brackseed is very good. It is such a nice chili, I guess. You can get this chili from the market, and it is, I could say that it is, the quality of chili is as great as the market ones. You can see. Look at this chilies. Alright, I'm a little sad though for the zucchinis, because the season is almost finished, and you know, the plants are not getting that much zucchini, and all of them are drying or attacked by the pest. You can see, especially the fly. So that's why a little sad. At the same time, I'm kind of excited about the corianders and the watermelons, all which are showing promising growth. You can see the watermelons. It is promising. It has shown some promising growth. I have seen it. You can see the corianders. You know, it's great. It's great, to be honest. Alright, and let's not forget the beautiful flowers. The local flower called Bonnarful is particularly stunning, adding a lovely touch close to my garden. You can see it is so nice, vibrant, and I love this view from my garden. It is fantastic, so nice. I want to thank you all for joining me on this garden tour. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more English learning and gardening adventures. Until next time, this is Krishna Kumar Sharma from my rooftop garden, and signing off. Happy gardening and cheers.